Hello, let's do opening again. There's something inside in this donut. Yep. See? You can hear it. This one is plastic. It looks so yummy, right? Alright, let's open it. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, see? We have bags here. Let's count it. How many bags? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. We have 5 bags to open. Alright. Okay, let's open it. See here. What's this? Oh. Oh wow, it's an elephant. A squishy elephant. Oh. Look. Oh. Let's stretch. Stretch. Nice. Alright. Alright, let's open another one. See here. Ooh, something green. See here. What's this? It's a frog. Ooh. Rabbit. Stretch. Oh, nice. Okay. Alright, next. Let's see here. Ooh. It's a bunny. Yay! A pretty bunny. Look. Oh, look how stretchy. Nice. Alright. Another one. Here. Something pink. Ooh. Oink. A pretty piggy. Oh. Okay. And we get the last bag. Alright. Ooh. It's a bear. A cute bear, look. Stretch. Oh. Wow. These are so cute. Look. Okay, I'll put in my finger so they will stay still. There you go. And then you bunny over here. And then you froggy and my pinky. And then the elephant over here. Nice, look. Oh, so cute. Look. Wow. Alright, I hope you enjoy our unboxing today. We got 5 squishy toys here. Nice, right? Okay. Okay, friends. Until next time, thank you for watching.